What's up, everyone? My name is Param Nimatola, and in this video, we're going to talk about how and why teenagers shut down and how parents can reconnect to them. So, if that's something that you're going through right now, disconnected from your teenager, hopefully this video can help. So, the number one thing is teens shut down when they feel judged, criticized, or misunderstood. Man, is it hard being an adolescent? Being a teenager, if you really sit and think about how difficult that chapter in life was, you might say, no, it was easy. I had no bills to pay, no responsibilities, but the whole internal process of feeling judged by other people, being criticized for who you are, being misunderstood for the person that you are, is a really tough chapter in life. And we got to remember that if parents start to judge their kids, criticize their kids, and misunderstand who they are, there's going to be a disconnect. So the next one we have is adolescents often struggle to express complex emotions. You usually see things like just anger and they blow up, but complex emotions like talking about being irritated, frustrated, annoyed, agitated, they bottle those things in because they don't have the words to articulate how it is they feel, and it just shows up in anger. I mean, how many adults have a hard time expressing complex emotions? So we have to have a little bit of compassion and say, hey, that's just where they are developmentally, and it's hard for them to express what it is that I want them to express. The next one is lectures and constant advice can make teens withdraw further. Oftentimes, teens know what they're doing wrong. And when we get in that parent kind of survival rescuer mode and we're just lecturing them on what to do and why to do it and how to do it and what's going to happen if they don't do it, it just makes them shut down even more and go inward even more. So really be careful with picking and choosing when and where you kind of interject that how, why, when, where parental kind of guidance. The next one is listening without immediately fixing and builds emotional safety. This one's big. One tip and tool that I have for parents is when they're listening to their adolescent, ask the following question. Do you want comfort or do you want solution? Because sometimes somebody just wants to vent and talk and open up and express themselves. They don't want solution. Parents usually get in the solution mode and problem solve mode, but sometimes just giving comfort is all they need. And the very last one is small daily moments of connection matter more than big talks. You think that the big talk is going to be the one that's going to make them churn it all around, but in reality, the small moments of connection on a daily basis, the checking in, how are you doing? What's going on with you? Is there anything I can help you with? Is there anything you need support with? They build up the psychological, emotional muscles to have those big talks. So hopefully this video helped you understand why teens emotionally shut down and how you as the parent can reconnect with them. Thank you for watching. Come back for more videos. Adios.